I'm Kim Coulter with Keller Realty, and welcome to 1003 North Ridge Lane in Heritage Landing. If you want resort living within walking distance to downtown Chattanooga, then you have found the perfect condo. Today I'm with Jan, who is a local caterer. And Jan, tell me what you love about this renovated kitchen.
Well, let's see. Many things. It's a galley kitchen, which is it's a great way to set up a kitchen. You're not walking around constantly, and you save a lot of steps. The appliances are stainless steel.
I love that. So
very
modern,
clean, crisp. Everything. I mean, it's warm with the stainless steel, but it's got the warm granite, and I don't know what this is, but it's gorgeous. With this, yeah, the tile. It's a great kitchen. I love the sink, and I especially love it.
Okay, great. Well, and Jan, you've made this Caprese salad. So most people know that I don't know how to cook. I'm no Bobby Flay, but I love to dabble. Can someone like me make this salad?
Yes.
How long, tell me, so what goes into this, and how long would it take someone with a crazy schedule, because I know moms and dads are busy during the summertime. So how long did this take you to make the salad?
Probably around 15 or less minutes.
Wow, and what all goes into the salad?
Well, it's kind of something I sort of made up. If you want this is caprese, which is mozzarella cheese and fresh heirloom tomatoes with fresh basil, and it's got some olive oil and also some smoked bacon salt. And this is a spinach salad that has Kalamata olives, pine nuts, onions, and a little bit of shredded lemon zest. So, with dressing. So you could have this or both together, whichever you like. And you could also put some chicken or fish or shrimp or something on it.
Oh, that's a great idea. So lots of possibilities then. That's wonderful. And Jan, I know that you have a foundation that you are the CEO of over. Tell us a little bit about your very heartfelt foundation.
Well, the foundation is called the MCR Foundation, which stands for Mary Cameron Robinson, who was my daughter and had a 14-year battle with eating disorders and lost the battle. So in her honor, her best friend Ashley Yates and I started the MCR Foundation 12 years ago, and we do a lot of great work in the city. We're trying to eradicate eating disorders, but in the meantime, we're helping families know where to go, whom to talk with, educating doctors, just trying to educate the whole community so they're not lost like I was.
Oh, I think that's wonderful. You're doing a wonderful cause, and it's Cammie's cause. And
yeah.
That's wonderful. Well, thank you so much for being here today, Jan. And once again, welcome to 1003 North Ridge Lane in Heritage Landing.
It's beautiful.